Imagine being able to revert your Huawei smartphone back to an earlier software version. Sounds appealing, right? But here's where it gets controversial. While this option exists, there's a catch that many users might overlook. Fortunately, recent developments suggest that Huawei has reopened the door for users to switch back to HarmonyOS 4.3, even though the official process isn't straightforward. For some background, Huawei had temporarily halted the ability to downgrade from HarmonyOS 5.0 to earlier versions like 4.3. This pause affected many users of devices such as the Pura 80 series, Nova 14 models, and others that are currently running stable versions of HarmonyOS 5.0. The aim behind this break was to streamline future updates, improve software stability, and move away from Android-based code. But now, the situation seems to have shifted. However, this process isn't something you can do on your own. Rather, it's limited to visiting official Huawei service centers or authorized after-sales stores. The tipster who leaked this information explained that only these official stores can facilitate the rollback process, and Huawei hasn't provided any manual or DIY guide for users to perform the downgrade themselves. On giving the rollback a closer look, it appears that the version being reinstated is called the HarmonyOS maintenance version. This isn't the same as returning to a completely original build. Instead, it's a slightly older, stable version intended mainly for troubleshooting or personal preference. But beware. Once you revert, you won't have access to certain features or updates that are available in the latest firmware. A significant point to consider is that Huawei has also confirmed it will not be providing new features, security patches, or improvements for devices running the rollback version. Essentially, you're stuck with an older, potentially less secure or less functional version, which might not support the newest apps or services. So why is this rollback option so important? It all boils down to user experience. HarmonyOS 5.0, while promising, is still evolving and might not be perfect for everyone. Some users prefer the stability or familiarity of the previous build, especially if certain apps or functionalities aren't working as expected. This has led Huawei to give users the chance to downgrade if they wish, though it's clearly a temporary, less than ideal workaround. One user who tried the Nova 14 Ultra confirmed this rollback option, but it comes with a clear warning. After downgrading, you won't get new features or bug fixes. If your device runs smoothly on HarmonyOS 5.0 daily, sticking with the current version might be the wiser choice. Many argue that upgrading, despite its initial issues, tends to be more beneficial in the long run. Ultimately, whether to stay on the latest self-developed firmware or revert to an older version depends on your experience and preferences. The choice is yours. But remember, when it comes to software, always weigh the risks against the benefits. Upgrading generally offers enhanced security and new features, but sometimes going back can provide needed stability or familiarity. What do you think? Would you prefer to stick with the latest upgrade or go back to a previous version? And why?